everyone. We are student of SPB Patel Engineering College. We make a PPT on topic of design and simultaneous of gears and gear train. This is guided by Professor Vedant Dikshit, presented by ME04 Team Avengers. Group name ME04. Name of group member Parth Gandhi, Utsav Balodra, Sunil Kumar Makwana. Table of contents. Domain introduction, domain history, domains observation, literature review, mind mapping, identification canvas, problem definitions, and objectives. First of all, domain introduction. Our domain in is industry. Now in the industry we can include many industries like textile, automobiles, food, etc. From all this industry, we have taken automobiles or mechanical industry. So in this industry, the production of mechanical component like car body, machines, nut and bolt, etc. take place. Second, domain history. Many times ago, there was problem in gears like bending, stretching, broken due to heavy load and high speed. So we, our team, introduced new technical design and simultaneous gear and gear trains. Why did we choose this topic? When we visit to industry in manufacturing, they are using a conveyor belt, which gears suddenly a high load comes and the gears are not able to take that load, and that is why the whole assembly destroyed. So we were thinking that what we can do now, and that's why we are choosing this topic. Domain observation. First, activities, environment, interaction, objects and users. First, activities. When we visited the various activities where people are doing the work wearing the some clothes to prevent them safe. Second, environment. When we visited that environment where there was warm condition due to heat, voice of machine, labor talking with each other. Interaction. Interaction of labor with machine, interaction of conveyor belt to gear, interaction of labor with customer. Objects. There have many types of machine which used in material transferring, cutting, drilling, etc. Users, labor and owners. Literature review. Research prepare one. Author name Non Yuns and Ankita Sushilavati. Year 2020. Problem definition of this research paper. The elbow features in the welding process is a supporting tool to hold the workpiece in the welding process. This tool is made in do it yourself in micro business. However, in its application there are problems. The solution provide to overcome this problem in the development tools with design of manufacture and assembly methods. What? To create portable device. Why? To carry and calculate the manufacturing process and welding feature assembly. Objective of this research paper. Innovation of elbow welding features from the old tools with new tools, namely smaller dimensions so that it easy to carry. There are clamps, welding work angles are more flexible and lighter. Literature Review Research Paper 2. Author Jing Yong and Yong Sun Moon. Year January 2020. Problem definition of this research paper. Offshore pipeline system using to transport oil and gases in the sea. Sometimes problems on pipeline, then we lose fuel and it effect on underwater lives. Most of problems on leakage pipes. Advanced automatic welding system in the solution to increase welding and improve welding qualities. In offshore pipe system of stopping leakage. What? Sometimes in pipelines system we lose fuel and it effect on underwater lives. Why? Offshore pipes using to transport oils and gases. Then oils and gases may be leak and effect on underwater lives. How? Advanced automatic welding system is solution to increase welding and improve welding quality in offshore pipe system for stop leakage. Objective of this research paper. The system increase productivity and improve quality of pipe welding. The welding of the control system incorporate control module and transmits command to each module. For the automatic welding system, the guide track incorporate a welding carrying using a pneumatic system. Literature review. Author Hyung Soo, Hyung Wang, and Hyung Lu. Year 2020. Problem definition of this research paper. Today, manufacturers face ever increasing demand of product variability. Manufacturers will have to adopt new technologies and manufacturing theories to help them quickly adapt to rapid change and elevate product quality while optimizing the use of energy and resources. What machine learning is very important for us. Children are very small to understand about this. Why? Nowadays technology is changed very fast. Then we introduce machine learning to in children and improve them. Objective of this research paper. This paper presents a critical review of standards for enabling the next generation manufacturing process and system automation in the context of smart manufacturing in two parts. Before of our discussion, we make our mind map. The IDN canvas. Problem definition. To design and simulate the gear and gear trains which can able to make a maximum load and we can use them in mechanism. What? To design and add simulate gears and gear train. Why? Gear and gear train can able to take maximum load easily and use them in mechanism. How? To design a better gear train mechanism which are able to carry heavy loads. These gears and gear trains. Objective. These are objective of our project to provide flexibility in work, to less the human effort, to reduce time consumption at the time of production. Thank you.